your girl Scoops, and welcome to me. Today is a very special day. Today is our anniversary. It's our anniversary. It's our anniversary. We've been together for a year now, so I'm gonna need y'all to celebrate that. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe, share me. I'm super excited. Like, I've been doing this for a year now. What? Like, it's been like a little short year, been a little absent. But we ain't talking about that. Today is a happy day. And why not celebrate natural today? That'll be a great way to celebrate our anniversary. That one friend just pop up on you, right? And they're like, oh, let's go so-and-so. How do you come here with a full beat face talking about hurry up? We gotta go in like 15 minutes. What? Watch this. So that's what I'm giving you right now. Last minute makeup, I got it. I got you. Let's do it. So the first thing I like to do is, like, you have to wash your face, right? I like to use this. So who doesn't use this? Okay, like, this is bomb.com. And I have these like cool pads that I got from Walgreens. These right here are like bomb. Why? Because they have like a scrubber. They have like scrubby thingies in the back of them. So like, to scrub your makeup, right? That's freaking awesome. And then on the front, it's like regular. I'm like living for it, okay? I got these at Lowe's. So definitely check that out. I don't use a lot of product on my face. I'm like really basic because I have nice skin. I think I have nice skin. It's nice. It treats me well. So I treat it well with this. Now this, I got this at Sephora, and it's an aqua bomb. And it's exactly what it says. It's aqua water. It feels amazing. Like, I almost need to get some more. But it's been lasting a long time, and I don't even use a lot. I just like use this much. That's it. My skin feels amazing. It feels amazing. It looks hydrated. I'm glowing. Yes. So, yes. Okay? Before you put any foundation on your face, make sure you prime your face. Okay? Even if it's some Cetaphil, okay? Go on, put that on your face. Go on, put it on your face, because you can't just be out here just raw. You can't be out here raw, You gotta protect your skin. If you don't protect your skin, how you expect me to protect you? Anyways, so today I'm trying something new. Like I said, usually I use like Cetaphil or something. Today's primer is brought to you by Becca. Okay, Becca is like the queen of being extra. So being that I gotta have like a natural thing going on, I'm not, what makeup? I don't know makeup on, this my skin. So you gotta let them glow. You gotta have a little glow to it. So Becca's gonna do that for us because it is a backlight priming filter. More than just a primer. It's the secret behind the iconic Becca glow and acts as an instant filler. So it'd be great. So today we're gonna have a natural bra going on. So we're gonna use MAC's pencil, and it is in the color Spiked. Okay, so now that the eyebrows are done, take that concealer that's down there and bring it down to your eyelid. And what's the rule for concealer? Either 2 shades lighter, that's it, or your skin tone. Just 2 shades, because if you go any lighter, like, That's not a good look, so don't do that. So we're gonna keep it simple. Let's get it using the Maybelline New York Eye Studio in the color Black is Black. And it comes with, I'm not using any shadow, so using this. And then we're gonna just create a wing. So, starting in my front. I'm trying to keep it as, you know, thin. Bring it down. Okay, so I like to stop at the lash line, of course. Gonna create that line right here. And that line is like right here. Like, this is where your eye stops. That's where I like to put that line. And of course it doesn't have to be so long. And then so I like to fill this in, this part, just like, you know, I don't know why I do that, but I do. And then I like to start in the middle. And do it like that. And fill it in. There you go. We got some cute wings. Alright. So the next step is lashes. And of course I'm going into with my Better Than Sex. So these are the lashes I'm using today. I gotta be dramatic somehow, right? Hold it down. I like to start in the front. Press it. And then do your back. Just make sure that you're holding them. Okay, like that, and then like blend it in, like pushing them together like that. I love these lashes. These are so cute. Okay, so now for foundation, Morphe's M4 6.2 is the brush I'm going to use. Some people don't like to use a beauty blender, so I thought, hey, how about I use a foundation brush. Winter color, still popping. Too Faced Born This Way in the color Caramel. To line my lips, I'm using Maybelline New York in the color Rich Chocolate. Voila. So, I think this is like a good look, you know, like first date kind of vibes. Work vibes, like I'm feeling it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And yeah, so if you want me to do like more natural looks like this, let me know. We cute. So this is look. Happy anniversary. And share so we can be bigger. And like always, thank you for watching. Peace. She can see through my soul. I said don't think about it. I said don't think about it. She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face. She can see through my soul. I said don't think about it. I said don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face.